another class of our SS. Which lesson we learned in the previous class? Yes, we learned lesson 3 occupations and work. Lesson 3 occupations and work. So, we know what all things we learned in the previous class. We learned about occupations, different types of occupations around us. What do you mean by occupation? We learned is the work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. Then we learned about other occupations like different types of occupations we learned in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about occupations in villages. Occupations in their villages. Occupations in their villages. Occupations in villages. Occupations in their villages. Okay. So, students, we know most of the peoples are farmers. We know in our country. So, we can't think about there is no without farmers. So, we know that the farmers are the part of our life because the hard work of farmers give us food. That means rice, wheat, all the vegetables, etc. were cultivated by farmers. The farmers are very close related with the nature. Okay, so that all things we know. Then occupations in villages. We know farming is the main occupation in villages. Most of the villages, if we take in most of the villages, farming is the main occupation. Farming is the main occupation. What do you mean by farming? Farming means farming is the main occupation in our country. Farming is the main occupation in our country. Farming is the main occupation. Farming is the main occupation in our country. Okay. Then there are many other occupations that depend on farming. For example, we know that we all use dresses. Okay, some cotton dresses, then some silk, woolen, etc. where we use. So where we get cotton? Yes, then in some states in India contains cotton field. Cotton field. In that field, who work? Yes, farmers. That farmers give cotton to make dress, to make clothes. Okay. Then we know it is processed. It is further processed. And it is that process is followed by certain peoples. Then that also different occupations of villages. Then finally that cotton is made into a dress. Okay. Then next one, another occupation of the people in village is cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. Next one, cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. Another occupation of the people in village is cattle rearing. There are also some farmers who keep animals like buffaloes, cows, ox, goats and donkeys. Then that is called cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. Then that means this occupation, keeping animals for their products. Then we know that we keep the animals like cows, buffaloes, goats as our pet animals, or not pet animals. We keep these animals in our houses. Why? Because we get some products from these animals. We get some products from these animals like milk, then cow dung, then we get, then if we buy these animals, we get money. Then okay, so we keep these animals for their products. That is called farming. So sorry, that is called cattle rearing. And also for keeping these animals, we should do a lots of hard work. That means we should graze these animals in field, in paddy fields, in anywhere, and also we should collect food for these animals for getting more products from the more milk. Okay, and also from these products we get money. Okay, so in this way some people in villages live. So that is also the occupation of some people in villages, that is cattle rearing. First one farming, second one cattle rearing. Farming is the main occupation of the village people. Through farming we know that different types of crops are cultivated in the field, like rice, wheat, maize, bajra, then all things like vegetables, then we flower field, etc. These all things are cultivated by farmers through which occupation? Yes, farming. Which occupation? Farming. Okay, so most of the people in villages are farmers, and another occupation of the people of villages is what? Cattle rearing. What do you mean by cattle rearing? Cattle rearing means keeping animals for their products is called cattle rearing. We keep animals for their products like buffaloes, cows, ox, goat, donkeys. Then we get milk and cow dung from cows, then goats, buffaloes, etc. So we should keep these animals very well in our houses. So that is also some main occupation of the people in villages. Next one, forest related occupations. In villages, some people occupation is related to forest. That means forest related occupations. Forest related, keeping animals, keeping animals for their products. Keeping animals for their products. Okay. Then next one, forest related occupations. Third one, forest related occupation. Forest related occupation means the thick forest in some parts of India are a source of employment for many people. The people have different types of occupations in these forests. This is known as a forestry. The people who live near the thick forest. So some people are dependent on that forest for their livelihood. So some people collect some fruits from the forest, some spices from the forest, then wood from the forest. So we know the people collect wood from the forest for making furnitures. Okay, furnitures, then beautiful carvings, etc. And then from that occupation they get money. Then they collect some fruits from the fruits from the forest, then they sell that fruits in the market for getting money. Then they collect some medicinal leaves, roots, stems, then barks of some trees. There are some medicines are also collected from the thick forest. That is also a type of occupation. Then next one, some people collect gum. Gum means we know that gum is also collected from the forest. That is, the gum is the gum is the milk of some trees that is collected from the forest itself. So that is also a type of occupation. Then wood. Then we know that the carpenters are used to, wood is used by the carpenters. So the carpenters collect wood from the forest for making furnitures. Okay. Then we know that the forest related occupations is called forestry. That is called forestry. Forest related occupation is called what? Forestry. That is called forestry. Then we know timber or wood is the main product of forest. From the forest we get lots of timber and wood. Wood and timber is the main product of forest. Then wood is further used to make furnitures. Then that is used by in our homes, institutions, in offices, everywhere. The wood is used as a furniture. Okay, so all of you understood about farming, cattle rearing, then forest related occupations. Once again about farming. The main occupation of the people in village is farming. We know the farmers are closely related to the nature. So the farmers know everything about the nature and also climate, weather, then everything can understand by the farmers. Then we know different types of crops are cultivated by the farmers. So farming is the main occupation of the people of villages. Next one, cattle rearing. Cattle rearing means keeping animals for their products to get money. Then that is also called farming. Cattle rearing. Then we use cattle rearing for the animals like cows. Then cows, ox, buffaloes, goats, donkeys, etc. we kept in our house for cattle rearing. Next one, forest related occupations like forestry. We know in some villages, the villages are present in near the thick forest. So the thick forest contains lots of wood or timber. So wood is the main product we get from the forest. So some people depend on that wood. They collect that wood for making furniture. Then some people collect some fruits, spices, gum, medicines from the forest. So it is also considered as some occupations for the village people to get money or to maintain their livelihood. Okay. Next one, fishing. Next one, fishing. Next one, fishing. Fishing is also the main occupation of the people living in coastal areas. Where? In coastal areas. Fish are processed and taken for sending to far off places. The breeding and the rearing of fish is called pisciculture. What do you mean by pisciculture? Pisciculture is also related to fishing. So pisciculture means the breeding and the rearing of fish. The breeding and the rearing of fish is called what? Pisciculture. Fish related occupation, pisciculture. So the fishing is also the main occupation of the people who live in coastal areas. Then fish are processed and tinned for sending to far off places. Then tinned fishes are sending to far off places. Then exporting fishes. Exporting fishes is also the farm. Then the occupation of coastal areas, the people of coastal areas. Next one, pottery. Pisciculture. Pisciculture means The breeding and rearing of fish is called pisciculture. Next one, pottery. Next one. Next one, pottery. Pottery means people who make something with clay, that is called clay with the pots and toys, that is called pottery. That is called pottery. Then the pottery making is done by potters. Potters means people who make these. That means the makes like a pots, toys, etc. Earthen pots and toys. Okay, pottery means soil is also a source of occupation of many people as they use clay to make earthen pots and toys. Soil is also a source of occupation. Soil is also a source of occupation. Source of occupation for many people as they use clay to make earthen pots and toys. People who make these are known as potters. The pottery making people are known as potters. The pottery making people are known as potters. Next one, mining. Next one, mining. We know that mining is digging something, digging out something from the underground of the earth, that is called a mining. So we know that there are different types of minerals are found in our country, like the iron, coal, mica, manganese, etc. What do you mean by mineral? Mineral means a substance which is naturally found in the earth. A mineral is a substance found naturally in the earth. A substance that are found naturally in the earth is called a mineral, like iron, mica, coal, manganese, petroleum. These all are naturally found inside the earth. So it is take out from the earth through a process that is called mining. That is called mining. And the people who work in the mining field, they are called miners. They are called miners. Then next, once again about mining. What do you mean by mining? What do you mean by mining? We know mining is the process of digging out the underground earth. That is called a mining, to take the minerals, to take out the minerals from the earth, like the minerals like iron, then mica, coal, manganese and petroleum. Iron, coal, manganese and petroleum. Then the people who work in the mining field are called miners. The people who work in the mining field are called miners. Okay, so students, what are things we learned today? We learned about the occupation in villages. Occupation in where? Occupation in villages. So first occupation in village is farming. First one, farming. What do you mean by farming? Farming means a large number of people in the village are depend on farmers, and also they depend on farming, and they get money, or they earn money from farming. Then next we learn about cattle rearing. Cattle rearing means to keeping animals for their products to get money. That is called cattle rearing. We keep animals like oaks, buffaloes. We keep animals like oaks, buffaloes, cows, goats, then donkeys, etc. for their products. Then we learned about farming, then cattle rearing. Next, forest related occupations like forestry. Forestry means some people in the villages live near the forest, thick forest. So their occupations also related with the forest. So that is called forestry. So we know inside the forest it contains loads of wood or timber. So some people collect the wood or timber for earn money. So they use the timber or wood for making furniture. For making what? For making furniture. Then for making furniture. Then we know that we know in farm, and also some people collect fruits, some people collect medicine, some people collect gum, spices from the forest for to get money. To get money, if they sell these collected items from the forest into the market, they get money for their family, for their old needs. Okay. Next one, fishing. Fishing is also another occupation present in the people who live in the coastal areas. So there is pisciculture is happen. What do you mean by pisciculture? The breeding and the rearing of fish is called pisciculture. So through fishing, the people can what send the tinned fishes, or then fishes to far off places. So that is also considered as an occupation in the coastal areas, fishing. Next one we learn pottery. Then the occupation of the people who work in the people who make pottery, that are called potters. Potters are also an occupation. Pottery is also an occupation for the people who make earthen pots and toys. The next one we learn about mining. What do you mean by mining? We know mining is digging out something from the inside of the inside the earth, like inside the earth. Something means minerals. So we know that minerals means a substance which naturally found in the earth is called minerals. That mineral is digging out from the earth. From where? From the earth. Then the people who work in the mining field are called miners. So children, our lesson is over. So once again we will revise this lesson. So first one, occupations and work. In this lesson we will discuss more about occupation. What do you mean by occupation? Yes, occupation means the work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. The work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. Once again, what do you mean by occupation? The person that work to do a livelihood is called occupation. Once again, what do you mean by occupation? The person that work to do a livelihood is called their occupation. Okay. Then we know that there are lots of occupations around us. Doctor, driver, tailor, carpenter, postman, policeman, gardener, sweeper. Okay. Then we know gardener. What is the work of gardener? Yes, occupation. Gardener means they water the old plants in the garden. Next is sweeper. Sweeper means who clean our school. Is sweeper. Next, policeman. The policeman guard our place, our village. Then carpenter. The carpenter make furniture with wood. Doctor. The doctor give a pill if we are ill. Then driver. The driver drives our vehicle. Then tailor. The tailor stitches our clothes. Then postman. The postman brings letters to everyone. So these are different types of occupation. Next we learned about another types of occupations like artist, soldiers, then lawyer and judges, then architects, actors, actresses, then authors, then journalists. These are the another type of occupations. So artists, paint pictures are called artist. Person who paint pictures, artist. Then the person who protect our country, soldier. The person who assist doctors in taking care of patients are nurses. Then lawyers and judges. Lawyers and judges work. Lawyers and judges work in the court to solve the legal cases. Next, the planning and the building of a house is done by who? Architects. Next, the people who act in movies and plays are known as actors and actresses. Next, authors means the articles and the books are written by authors. Next, the people who collect and produce news for newspapers, TV, then radio channels, etc., stations, etc., are called as journalists. Another occupation is goldsmith and silversmith. Goldsmith and silversmith make jewelry items or ornaments with gold and silver. That is also a type of occupation. Next, we know if we are going to a shop, then there we can see a shopkeeper, then a manager, then a salesperson in the shops or malls. Then next another we learned about occupations in villages. There are different types of occupations are present in the people who live in the villages. So first one, farmers. Farming is first occupation in the villages. Most main occupation of the people of village is farming. So we know that through farming most of the people live. Next one, cattle rearing. Keeping animals for their products to get money. Then they keep cattle rearing. Another occupation in the village is forest related occupations like forestry. Next one, fishing. Forestry means we know that in some villages is present near the thick forest. So the people's occupations are related with the forest. That means forestry. They collect timbers or wood from the forest, and also they collect the medicines, fruits, spices, gum, wood from the forest to earn their livelihood. So that is also a type of occupation. Another occupation we learned that is fishing. In fishing is an occupation of main occupation in the coastal areas of the people. So that people is take out pisciculture. Then the breeding and the rearing of fish is called pisciculture. Then in the coastal areas, the fishermen's tinned fishes are sent into far off places. Then dried fishes are keeping to earn money to earn money. Next, another occupation we learn in the village, that is pottery. Then people who make earthen pots and toys with the clay, that is called pottery. Then the people who make these pottery items are called potters. Then we learn about miners, mining. Then miners means the people who work in the mining field. What do you mean by mining? Mining means digging out minerals from the earth. That means minerals means a substance which naturally found inside the earth. That the minerals like iron, coal, mica, petroleum, etc. they are considered as the minerals. Okay students, our lesson is over. So next we move on to our exercise portions. All of you listen. First one. Choose the correct answer. First one. Farming is the main occupation of people who live in where? The farming is the main occupation of the people who live in villages. Second one. Books are written by who? Actors, authors, farmers, painters. Authors. Books are written by authors. Third one. The occupation of keeping animals for their products is called cattle rearing. The occupation of keeping animals for their product is called cattle rearing. Name the animals we keep for cattle rearing. Yes, buffalo, cow, goats, donkey, oxen, etc. Cattle rearing. Fourth one, an important mineral found in our country. Which is the important mineral found in our country? Mica, rubber, paper, soil. Rubber, paper, soil is not minerals. Answer mica. Answer mica. Okay, next one, fill up. Fill in the blanks with suitable. Answers from the given boxes. Fill up. The first question. A large number of people in our villages are farmers. Large number of people in our villages are farmers. Second one. The work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. It's called their occupation. Next one. The carpenter makes furniture from dash. The carpenter makes furniture from where? Wood. Fourth one. People who catch fish are called fishermen. Okay, once again, farming is the main occupation. Farming is the main occupation of people who live in where? In villages. Books are written by authors. The occupation of keeping animals for their products is called cattle rearing. Then an important mineral found in our country is mica. An important mineral found in our country is mica. Most of the people, farming is the main occupation of the people in their villages. Books are written by authors. The occupation of keeping animals for their product is cattle rearing. Then an important mineral found in our country is mica. Next one, a large number of people in our villages are farmers. Then the work that people do to earn livelihood is called occupation. Then the carpenter makes furniture from where? Wood. Then the people who catch fish are called fishermen. The people who catch fish are called fishermen. Okay, next answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one, what is an occupation? What is an occupation? The work that people, first one, the work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. Okay. What do you mean by occupation? The work that people do to earn livelihood is called their occupation. Okay. Second question. What does a farmer need to grow crops? What does a farmer sunlight. And sunlight. What does a farmer need to grow crops? Land, air, water and sunlight. Land, air, water and sunlight. Next one. Write 5 things we get from forest. Write 5 things we get from forest. 5 things we get from forest. Yes, wood. Then medicines. Then fruits. Medicines, fruits. Then spices. Then gum. These all are the different materials we get from the forest. Wood, medicines, fruits, spices, gum. Wood, medicines, spices, fruits, gum. Next, what is mining? Write the names of any 4 minerals. Mining is the process of digging things out of the earth. Mining is the 4th question. Mining is the process of digging things out of the earth. Digging things out of the earth. Out of the earth. Example 4 minerals are coal, mica. 4 examples. Okay, coal, mica, then iron, then petroleum. Okay, so once again, the work that what do you mean the occupation? The work that people do to a livelihood is called their occupation. Then second question, what does a farmer need to grow crops? The farmer need land, air, water and sunlight. Then write 5 things we get from forest. Wood, medicines, fruits, spices, gum. 4th one, what is mining? Write the names of any 4 minerals. Mining is the process of digging things out of the earth. Example 4 minerals: coal, mica, iron, petroleum. Coal, mica, iron, petroleum. Okay. So children, all of you read your text more and more times. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So it's a very simple lesson, very short lesson. You should read your text more and more times. You should write your notes properly in your notebook. Okay. Okay, children. So let's wind up the class.